Okay, we're back. Apo, kaskino namin tayo na po. Iyabang tayo may kadungang contestant tayo. Please help me welcome Miss Glizel May Panganiban, 18-year-old girl, Apo, from Taruyong. Torayong.
Ano?
Torayong? Sorry. Taruyong. Sa Arroyo, kasi di ba nang ibagat na. Okay, Glizel. Ikabil mo dito lapayag mo data. Okay. Sige. Agsaw ka pa ito interview ka pa. Baga yung 18 years old, 8 years old sa mo datoy. Nagbaling nga balasang. Okay. Wait. Manuto mo mon, basang?
18 po.
18 ka na talaga. Di mo te Ilocano nga kasarsarita?
Madik amo tinaunig nga Ilocano, sir.
Ay, katore siya. Di ko amo tinaunig. But I tried to learn kasi adit to iti kwarta, ito Ilocano song. Ore kasi no kapintas pa nagkantam ti English ka, tag-Tagalog dita, no dakat di ka Ilocanoan, handa unay ma-appreciate. Ngayon no agkanta ka ti Ilocano, patyanak, apo kay ayo, dagiti padatang Ilocano dita. So nga, not just by singing, iti panagsusurong no di kiti pati panagsarita. Agbalin ka nga better musician no kasta. Nga rod, kablaawam na gitay kaya mga kablaawan. Nagpasangaw ka basang.
Kablaawak man nagajay family panganiban, kinjay agdingdingig tatakanyak.
Sino nga tadagit ang agdingding keng kadijay? Torayong.
Dagajay sangok.
Ay, adit tasangwanam. Okay. So, sino dagita kakadom tatang?
Jay lola kin mamang ko tas dagajay kasinsin ko kin kapsat ko, sir.
Wow, very supportive damat. Ito naman minsan mangitugot ka timay sa elf, amin nga karub ang pagkatong tutuyan. Anyway, you're going to sing?
Agnanayon nga ay ayatin.
Agnanayon nga ay ayatin ka. So let's give it up to our second contestant, Miss Glizel May Panganiban of Torayong, Cauayan City.
Ay, kailangan niya ng data?
Hindi po.
Madi ka makapatukaran.
Available. Kasi in airplane mode ko siya.
Aparta kang balo. I-on mo na yung internet di ko lang na. Okay, once again, ako ni John Mark na mapapuraanan sa datang pagpasyaran na. Okay, go ahead.
Lipatin kanti kunak ngem saan dana irwamak ayat ana isang sangayan ayat akinali kagumam na ipaay mo pudno apakarag sa uray awan kamala
Okay, dito na po ng kompleton. Iti salisal tayo tangal daw. We have contestant number 1, Aliyah May Lasso, and our last contestant, Miss Glizelle May Panganiban, okay, of Torayong, Cauayan City. And iti agbalin nga grand prize apo into no February, the first ever Ilocano Idol will receive 10,000 pesos cash, a recording contract from the 4-decade duo production, and trip for two to Malaysia, courtesy of Pacific Star International Employment Agency. Ayan, so if you are looking for a job, kung kayo trabaho sa abroad po as domestic helper sa Malaysia, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, or Jordan, then po mapangkay di Pacific Star International, and the advantages na po, they have their fast employment, ready employers, tatan, ready employers, quick deployment, safe and secured all job orders, verified by Philippine embassies and registered from Philippine Overseas and Employment Agency. They also offer free passport, medical, bus fare, board and lodging, and training. If applicants cancel their application, all expenses will be charged to them accordingly. And on-the-spot cash gift of 10,000 for the first 100 applicants for Middle East upon deployment and with valid passport. No salary deduction, no placement fee, and no broker's fee. Pacific Star International Employment Agency Corporation can be found at H1 Leon Ginto Townhomes, number 2127 Leon Ginto Street, Malata, Manila, or at their Alicia branch at room 201, second floor, DVC Building, Maharlika Highway, Alicia, in front of Our Lady of Atocha Church. Okay, please get in touch with them at 0918-808-0188. Ulitin tayo po, 0918-808-0188. So dati mga tatapo iti trip for two to Malaysia. So nga mga baka, kaya dapat ito boyfriend mo. And of course, this program has been brought to us by our very own board member, Fred Villalili, and Carl Jason Ilali. Ayan, dagiti produkto na po is Biosynergy Organic Fertilizer and Agri-Saver Liquid Fertilizer. Sikang mo balong anamot kaya mo nga negosyo in the future?
Punerarya?
Punerarya. Amo may nga negosyo dito nga madipulos mapukaw. Nung narugyam di pamilya, tunog anak ka, agbalin tumatlang nga po ni narete. Siyempre, masusuro na ti aking balsa mo. Sika na amo maging balsa mo?
Titukak.
Tutukak. No tao?
Madipay.
Medyo malaling kagatak. Ito topic na gadong nga trabaho at pa imbalsa maturmat.
Napigsa nga negosyo data.
Pigsa nga talaga. Kanain nga dama matay.
Una nga mahumoy karkararag ang ado ti matay.
Amin tayo matay. Di ka di. Amin tayo kahit agbalinto nga tapok. Iso nga dito iti sumarong mga kansyonan ta. That all we are dust in the wind by the Kansas. Ladies and gentlemen, the 4-decade duo with their version of the song Dust in the Wind.
I close my eyes only for a moment, and the moment's gone. All my dreams pass before my eyes, a curiosity. Dust in the wind, all they are is dust in the wind. Same old song, just a drop of water in an endless sea. All we do crumbles to the ground, though we refuse to see. Dust in the wind, all we are is dust in the wind. Don't hang on. Nothing lasts forever but the earth and sky. It slips away, and all your money won't another minute by. Dust in the wind. All you are is dust in the wind. Everything is dust in the wind. Dust in the wind. All you are is dust in the wind. Everything is dust in the wind.
That song was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.